Meaning of hyssop.
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 Hyssop. Hyssop is a small herbaceous plant in the mint family, with a slightly bitter taste and a strong scent. It is native to the eastern Mediterranean region and has been used for culinary and medicinal purposes for centuries. Hyssop is mentioned in the Bible as a cleansing agent and was also used in traditional medicine to treat respiratory problems, digestive issues, and skin conditions. It is still popular today as a seasoning for meats and salads, as well as an ingredient in teas and herbal remedies. Overall, hyssop is a versatile and aromatic herb with a rich history and cultural significance.